everyone, I've got a very short video for you today. I'm super excited about this one. I got my Young Living order, but this one is a bit different because this one I got completely free. When you place orders with Young Living, you earn free points, and the longer you are in, the higher your points percentage is. So the other day I noticed I had some points that were due to expire. I've never done a free order before with them, so I'd had quite a lot of points there. I think I had about $350 worth of free points there. So I did an order just to get rid of the expiring ones. I only had that night to do it, so I had to do it in a bit of a hurry. And I wasn't too sure of how it all worked. I was a bit confused. So anyway, it all went through fine, and I think I did an order of around $217, and I got them all completely for free. So it was a little bit hard to make up my mind of what I was going to use the points for, but I decided I would use them for some of the oils that are a bit more expensive that I don't have yet. So rather than paying cash for them, I would rather use my points. So you get a little bit less, obviously, but at least I haven't had to pay for them. So I'm going to take you through what I got because I'm dying to open some of these oils. I don't know anything about them. I just got the ones that I knew I didn't have in my collection and that I wasn't keen to pay money for. So let's have a look through the box. So first tube. Okay, this one's not a newbie after all that big build up. This one is frankincense, but I got it in the 15ml bottle. So I'll just find the price for you. So frankincense for the 15ml bottle, it's $135 New Zealand, hence why I wasn't keen to pay cash, or $117 wholesale, which is what I would normally pay for it, but I didn't want to do that. So I've only ever bought the little 5ml bottles. Frankincense is great for everything, but what it does say in here is an earthy, uplifting aroma that's perfect for grounding and spiritual connectedness. Create a safe and comforting environment when you diffuse or inhale this empowering oil. A perfect opportunity to collect your thoughts. Uses for frankincense. So invite elevated spiritual experiences every day by diffusing this oil in your home or office. Add to your daytime lotion or night cream for a custom moisturizer that highlights your natural beauty and helps to combat dry skin. Put it into your yoga ritual by diffusing this oil during your routine and follow up with post-practice massage. Make it into a DIY air freshener. Put 3 to 5 drops of essential oil onto 3 cotton balls and place them in a tiny bowl. You can place the bowls all around the house, behind the toilet, windowsills, etc. for a fresh smelling home. Put 3 drops onto a cotton ball and clip it to the vent of your air conditioner to keep the room smelling fresh. And you could also do the same thing with a car. So that's frankincense. So not a new oil to me, but very excited to have a big bottle. Okay, what else have we got? Clarity. So this is what this one looks like. It's also a 15ml bottle. Let's see what Clarity says. So Clarity is a blend. It's $73 New Zealand retail or $63.50 wholesale. It contains basil, rosemary and peppermint to promote clarity of thoughts. Use this rich blend to create greater mental concentration and alertness, improvement of concentration, emotional balance, and to overcome mental fatigue. Clarity may also help overcome change and embrace learning on a new level when learning new things or processing new information. It's really nice. I can see why it is recommended for the things that it's recommended for. So you get the herbal scent of basil and rosemary first, and then you get the peppermint second. So that's really nice. I'm looking forward to using that. Okay, what else did we get? It's a little one. It's a 5ml Rutavala. I think that's how you pronounce it. So this is a real cutie. Let's see what's in this one. So Rutavala is a 5ml. It's, I think it said $63 for the little bottle. So it is on the high price, $51.74 for wholesale. It's a calming blend, so it's also a blend of lavender, valerian, and rue. Rutavala relieves stress, soothes tension, and promotes relaxation of the body and mind. So this sounds like a great one for bedtime. Whoa, it's different. It's quite strong and it hits you pretty hard, actually. It's not unpleasant, but it's not florally and soothing like lavender. In fact, I can smell the lavender in there, but there's something else that's really overpowering. So it'll be really interesting to learn up on this one and see how it goes. Have you guys tried this for sleep? What do you think? Do you recommend it or not? Sarah. So this is another 5ml. Very cute little bottles. So Sarah is also a blend. It's $46 retail or $40 New Zealand dollars wholesale. It's a blend of geranium, ylang ylang, rose, blue tansy, and other oils that is designed as a soothing scent to be used during difficult or emotional times. This relaxing, balancing, and soothing blend can promote positivity and may help to release negative emotions. Use Sarah to create a sense of peace and freedom and to start moving forward in a positive manner. It's got a lot of oils in here. It's got ylang ylang, geranium, lavender, orange, cedarwood, blue cypress, davana, lime, jasmine, rose, matricaria, have never heard of that, blue tansy, grapefruit, tangerine, spearmint, lemon, ocotea, and white lotus. Wow. Let's see what this little baby smells like. Yeah, it's lovely. It's sweet, it's florally. I can see why they talk about things like positivity, uplifting, all of those sorts of things. It's a happy oil. So really looking forward to that one. I think you could definitely wear that one as a perfume. Okay, and the last one, I can't remember what this one was. Oh, they're all purple. Highest Potential. So it's a little 5ml bottle again. So this one is going to be a blend also. So Highest Potential is $62.55 retail or $54.39 New Zealand dollars wholesale. It has in it blue cypress, ylang ylang, jasmine, cedarwood, geranium, lavender, northern lights, black spruce, frankincense, royal Hawaiian sandalwood, white fir, vetiver, cinnamon bark, davana, lime, rose, matricaria, again, blue tansy, grapefruit, tangerine, spearmint, lemon, ocotea. Highest Potential harnesses the uplifting and inspiring power of blue cypress and other pure essential oils that empower and support to help you reach your goals and dreams. This wonderful essential oil blend is also calming, soothing, elevating, grounding, and harmonizing. Use Highest Potential to enhance self-confidence, connect with higher purpose, and focus on the positive. Interestingly, it's not recommended to use this oil topically, so there's obviously a few in there that are not good for skin, but it says to diffuse up to 30 minutes 3 times daily. Let's smell Highest Potential. Yeah, it's very similar to Sarah. Very similar. And you can tell by all those beautiful oils that are in there. So those are the oils that I got for free. 5 beautiful oils that I'm really looking forward to reading up on and learning some more about. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you've got any questions, by all means leave them in the comments and I'll do my best to answer them. Or have you tried any of these oils? Are any of them your favorites? I'd love to know, how are you using them and how have they helped you in your life? So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you again soon. Thanks guys, bye.